Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about voice change. First of all, look at the examples I have given here. He killed a rat. Here he subject killed. It is verb. A rat it is object. And example number 2. A rat was killed by him. A rat it is subject. Was it is be verb. Killed it is MV3 main verb third form. Thereafter by it is a preposition, and thereafter him it is prepositional object. And in example number 3, I am writing a letter. I it is subject, am it is also be verb, writing it is MVING, and thereafter a letter it is object. And in example number 4, a letter is being written by me. A letter it is subject, is it is be verb, being it is also be verb, and written it is MV3, thereafter by it is preposition, and me it is prepositional object. Now look in these 4 sentences. In the first example, he killed a rat. Here he is the doer of the action. That means he subject is doing the action himself. That means here the subject is doer. Subject is doer. But in example number 2, a rat was killed by him. Here rat it is subject, but here the subject is not the doer of the action. Rather here the action is done upon the subject. Here subject is not doer of the action. That means subject is not doing the action by himself. Rather the action is being done upon the subject. Similarly, in example number 3, I am writing a letter. I it is subject, and here the subject is doing the action. That means subject is the doer of the action. Here also subject is doer. But in example number 4, a letter is being written by me. Here a letter it is subject, but here the subject is not doing the action. Rather the action is being done upon the subject. That means here also subject is not the doer of the action. That means in these 4 examples we clearly can see that there are some verbs or some sentences where the subject is doing the action by himself, and there are some sentences, there are some verbs where the subject is not doing the action, rather the action is done upon the subject. Now these are all voice. Together these are all voice. That means as the definition of voice we can say that voice is the form of verb. Look here killed, here was killed. Here am writing present continuous tense, here is being written. That means verb forms are changing. That means we can say that as the definition, voice is the forms of verb. Voice is the different forms of verbs to indicate if the subject is the doer of the action, or if the action is done upon the subject. That means as the definition of the voice we can say that voice is the different forms of verbs to indicate if the subject is the doer of the action, or to indicate if the action is done upon the subject. That's why killed, was killed, am writing, is being written, these are all voice. Okay dear students, this is the definition of voice.